film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths.
Whoa!
For them, an idyllic summer afternoon
Is anybody home?
became a nightmare.
What's wrong with you people?
The events of that day were one of the most bizarre crimes of American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R.
You're all gonna die.
Hello? Is anybody home?
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R.
Hey, are you okay?
Gotta get away.
From who?
Let's find a hospital, okay?
Hello? Is anybody home?
What the hell was that?
I think we should just get out of here. Aaron, what's going on?
Where's the gun?
He's killing him!
Who's killing who?
I need you to hold that light really steady.
Run! Keep going! Keep going!
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R. Starts Friday, October 17th.
Stop! Please!
I just want to go home.
I'm going to get you some help.
No! Keep going! He's killing him!
Who's killing who?
Poor sweet boy. He's no harm.
Sweet boy.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R. Starts Friday, October 17th.
Tell me how much you got. How much?
That much.
That much? Hello?
Is anybody home?
Excuse me.
Oh, what the hell is that?
I just saw something.
All right, that's it. If somebody's out there, just come on out.
He's gonna kill all of us.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Rated R.
Is anybody home? I just saw something.
All right, that's it. If somebody's out there, just come on out.
Nobody's gonna come through that door.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Rated R. Now playing.
Tell me how much you got. How much?
That much.
That much?
This much.
That much.
Hey, are you okay?
They're all dead. He's a bad man.
Oh, we have to call the cops, I guess. Excuse me.
What the hell was that?
What?
I just saw something.
All right, that's it. If somebody's out there, just come on out.
What is that? The hitchhiker. What were they all doing here?
What the hell are you doing in my house?
You're all gonna die.
too.